Hello everyone and welcome back.
In this video, we will learn how to clean and combine data in Excel. Let's begin to learn cleaning and combining data.
Our raw data has several issues: duplicate rows, inconsistent name capitalization, and inconsistent status values. Let's fix them one by one. First, duplicates. Look at row 2 and row 7. John Smith appears twice with the exact same data. Row 8 and row 11, Anna White is also duplicated. Duplicate data gives wrong results in any calculation, so we remove it first. Click anywhere inside Data. Data tab. Remove duplicates. Dialog opens. All columns are selected automatically. Click OK. Excel tells us 2 duplicate rows were removed. Click OK. We now have 8 unique rows. Second, inconsistent name capitalization. John Smith is all lowercase. Sarah Jones is all uppercase. This looks unprofessional and makes searching difficult. Let's use Flash Fill. It learns your pattern and fills the rest automatically. Click F1. Type Fixed Name. Press Enter. Click F2. Type John Smith with proper capitalization. Press Enter. Type Sarah Jones with proper capitalization. Press Enter. Go to Data tab. Click Flash Fill. All names instantly fill with proper capitalization. One click fixed everything. Third, inconsistent status values. Active, active, active all mean the same thing but look different. Let's use Find and Replace to fix all of them at once. Click the status column header. Press Ctrl H. Find and Replace dialog opens. In Find field, type Active. In Replace field, type Active with proper capitalization. Click Replace All. Now find Small Inactive. Replace with Inactive. Click Replace All. Close the dialog. Status column is now clean and consistent throughout. Our data is now free of duplicates, names are properly capitalized, and status values are consistent.
If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.